Good afternoon, it's William here at WCP Models. Today we're just going to do a quick video showing how we assemble the wheels for our 116-251 half track. We print the two wheel halves separately. The reason why we do that is just so we can make sure that the detailer is both on the front and back, because we print them with an FDM printer. The only problem with that is now we have to obviously put them together, and for that we need to make sure they're perfectly aligned. So make sure they're concentric and there's no run out, so they run nice and smoothly on the model. As you can see, we've already pressed the bearings in using our arbor press, but now we're going to weld these wheels together. Now to help us with that, we've made a little jig here, and this is an alignment jig, but also it doubles up as a clamping jig as well. So what we're going to do is take the back half of the wheel, we're going to align it up into the holes. It's quite a tight fit, and the reason why it's a tight fit is to make sure it's going to be a nice alignment of the two halves. So that's one half in. Now what we're going to do is take some of our solvent weld and we're just going to paint that on. We're then going to take the front part of the wheel and we're going to line this as well. And then we've got these little nuts, these little nailed nuts, and they screw in. Now the reason why we got that in is because that then clamps the two parts together. And we'll leave it like that for maybe like 5 minutes or so, and then it'll be okay to remove and we can put the next one on. But yeah, we can just keep going through for the others. So just bear with me, I'll get the others aligned. And this jig just lets us run the production for one particular model. So these particular wheels are the inner leaved wheels of the 251. We also have a separate jig as well that we'll come to in a later video, which will actually have the outer interleaved rotor wheels. So again, put the nut on. And that helps clamp the whole thing together. And what I should just say is these are little nailed nuts that we've 3D printed, but then what we've also done is we've used the arbor press to press in a nut. It's not a nylock nut, it's just a normal nut, but we've press fit that in the end. So that means it's got a good thread, so we can actually put quite a lot of clamping force when we're gluing the two halves and clamping them together. There we are. So as you can see, it's quite easy to use, it's coming along quite nicely. There we are. Apologies for the noise in the background. It's Scotland we live in and it's raining as usual. So there we have it. We've got all 8 inner road wheels and actually the rear wheel as well for our 251. So now what we can do is we can actually start to take one of them off. We'll just do one to show you how it works, but nut off, and then what we do is just very gently just prise it equally around, and then the wheel should release in one piece. There we are. There we have it. We're releasing off, pull it off, and there we have it. Our wheel is now one piece. There we are. So once that wheel's done, obviously take all the others off as well, and then we'll move on to the other jig, which will be for the other wheels. So we'll come to that one next. Thanks for watching. See you later.